didn't show is me apply my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. You always want to make sure you lay a primer on your beautiful faces before you get started so that your foundation can set well and just pop. On this part, you always want to remember to put more product towards the back of your brow than towards the front, because you want to create a faded look towards the front. As y'all know, I use this palette mainly for contouring, but the pink shade is to cover up any blemishes that you may have on your face. And I have a few, but they about to be gone. Make sure y'all blend like y'all life depends. And here I'm going to be going in with my wonderful Bare Minerals foundation. Shout out to my best friend for getting that for me. Appreciate you, girl. But the shade is Chai 26. That's CHAI 26. Okay, so here I'm going in with my Gold NYX pigment, and I'm going to be using the base, this MAC palette, the Snowball Eye Compact Rose Gold palette for the base. Okay, so y'all are about to see me appear with this black eyeshadow out of nowhere. I actually have this from a kit that I got from Ulta about 4 years ago, but the basis is to just use a black eyeshadow on the outer corner to create that slight smoky eye look. And here I'm just going in and slightly creasing my eyelid so that I can lay down the pigment, the gold pigment from NYX, as you'll see. Okay, so after y'all are done laying the pigment, then you'll go back in the outer corner with the black eyeshadow once again, blend and definitely deepen in that crease. Don't worry about what has spilled out because that's gonna get cleaned up. Okay, next we're going in with the NYX Gold Glitter and just laying that over the gold pigment that we already put down and just giving it a shimmer. So down here on the lower lash line, what I'm doing is just taking that black eyeliner that I placed down and just smudging it out just to cause a more of a dramatic effect. And now we're going in and about to beat this face, hunty. Yes. Yes. Okay, y'all, just a side note, whenever you're going in with a deeper toned blush, don't drag it too close to your mouth because it does add age, okay? And after this, we're going to apply our Anastasia bronze highlighter, honey, so you can get that pop on those cheeks, okay? And once we're done with that, we're going to go in with the Night Moth lip liner from MAC and the Smoke Purple lipstick, okay? And make sure to set those faces once you're done. Okay, so here's the finished look. This look to me says Black History, has Black History written all over it. I love it. I love the black and gold, and I threw in a dark purple lip, like, because I don't like black lips, but whatever. But I love this look. This is my first time wearing my real hair out as far as straight since probably June of last year, if not before that. And I had to cut so much hair off. Oh well. But let's keep in mind what this month is for and what it represents, but not just this month, all year round. Let's love each other. Let's stop hating on each other. Ladies, let's stop killing each other, because we are so magical and we are so beautiful, and people continuously try to take that away from us, and we don't need to be taking it away from each other. Love each other. If you see a beautiful woman, oh hey, you're beautiful, you know. And if a man compliments you, ladies, learn how to take it, okay? Like, not every man wants to, like, you know, go there with you. Some men just want to tell you you're beautiful. But I love this look. Once again, let's love each other. Let's make this year an amazing year, and I will see you all next time. Bye.